Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some chocolate chip muffins, and it's a small recipe, only 6 muffins. That's perfect when you don't need a big amount. So right here I have some flour. This is all-purpose flour, baking powder, and some salt. This is whole milk and a little bit of vinegar. So that makes buttermilk equivalent. I have an egg, vegetable oil, some vanilla, and white sugar. Right here I have mini chocolate chips and a little bit of extra. Let's get started. First, in a bowl, I have my all-purpose flour. I'm adding my salt and my baking powder. I'm going to give this a nice mix. And I'm going to set it to the side. Now these are going to be my wet ingredients. Here's my oil. It's my milk, egg, sugar, and vanilla. Now I'll give this a stir. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. And I'm going to give it a mix. Okay, everything's mixed together. And now I'm going to add my mini chocolate chips. And I'm going to combine them. Now right here I have a muffin pan. I lined it with cupcake liners. This is an ice cream scoop. I'm going to add it to my cupcake liners. So here's my muffins, and it made exactly 6. So now I'm going to get some extra little chips and just add it on top. So here's my muffins. They're ready to go inside the oven. Now, the interesting part about this recipe, you preheat your oven 425 degrees, and you put your muffins in there for 5 minutes at 425, and then you reduce your heat to 350 degrees, and you cook them the rest of the way, approximately 25 minutes. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, 425 degrees, and we're only going in there 5 minutes. So we're closing in on the 5 minutes at 425. Okay, so now I'm going to lower it 350, and I'm going to make this right here 25 minutes. And then we should have some great looking muffins. Great looking muffins. You can take that 2 ways. And here's my muffins. They really came out nice. So let me show you what it looks like inside. Yummy, nice and fluffy. Let me taste it. Okay, really good. Okay, these are chocolate chip muffins. Yummy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.